Y'all ain't tell me y'all see how cute this bun is. Like, I just love me a little messy bun. Look, it's just so chic. Girl, this was effortless, honey. Hey y'all, so today I filmed this cute messy bun look, girl. This is like my go-to look when my hair is dirty, it needs to be washed. I ain't trying to flat iron it, I ain't trying to go to nobody's shop. I just want some cute, quick, and simple. This is generally the look I would go for. Sometimes I just switch up like whatever little danglies and stuff I got going on, because I'm not really a wig girl like that. I do like a good sew-in every then and again, but for the most part I wear my hair natural, not curly, but natural. Anyway, this is the look I got for y'all today, honey. Stick around and watch this messy bun tutorial. This is the one you didn't know you needed, but you need it. It's dirty and I ain't trying to like put no more heat on it to straighten it or flat iron it or whatever. So I'm gonna take some of this Chi Silk Infusion, and I've already sprayed my hair with the Chi Heat Protectant before I started the video, but I did blow dry it through because it do leave it kind of wet. But I'm gonna use about that much, and then I like to just put this like around my edges like that, and then I just run the rest like over my hair. Yeah, and then I'm gonna do like the messy bun. They got like some strands hanging out because I think that's real cute. So I'm gonna just take some hair out the front. So something like this. I don't think I want it that thick though. And I don't try to like make the part all straight or nothing like that. So about this much hair, and then I'm just twist it. Put a rubber band on it. So just something like that. All right, now I am going to press out my edges because I want it to have a sleek look, but not too sleek. I'm not going to use like no Got2b or nothing like that. And so I'm going to take this paddle brush and I'm going to just kind of go through the perimeter of my hair. And then the back. Because like I said, I'm doing a messy bun, not a top knot, so I don't need like the real sleek look. Alright, so now I'm gonna take my high comb, and this is the Infinity Pro by Conair. I got this one from Target, and then I'm gonna just kind of go through my edges with it. Alright, so I'm pretty much happy with that. So I'm going to go ahead and, can y'all see me? I feel like my camera is at an angle. I don't know. But anyway, I hope it's good lighting because I'm using natural light today. It looks like it's kind of dark though. made that better or worse with that light. Anywho, so I'm gonna go ahead and take that paddle brush again, and then I'm just gonna use elastic hair tie, and I'm gonna brush my hair up into the desired position. I like my Messybun kind of floppy. I kind of just let however it come out, that's how I kind of leave it. So I'm gonna go ahead and brush this up. I usually do 3 times, but I think I'm gonna do 4. So now you kind of just got a ponytail. Now what I'm gonna do is take the hair and I'm gonna wrap it. I like to do mine in 2 sections, so I'll do like this side first, wrap it around like that. This side and wrap it the opposite way, like that. And this is kind of what I have. So I'm pretty. So now that I have the bun in a cute little way, I'm gonna go ahead and do I'm gonna go ahead and run the hot comb through this little bang piece. And I'm gonna just do it in the way that I want it to go. You can flat iron this if you're looking for like the really sleek look, but I just want the roots to be a little sleeker, so I'm gonna just do it like that there. I'll just burn my freaking forehead. That sucks. See, so kind of like that. I'm gonna do this side. So that's it. That's the finished look. This is how I normally would do like my messy bun. Sometimes I'll just do like 1, or I'll put like 2 little strings in the corners of like in the temples with nothing in the front. I think that's cute too. But since I am going to a nice brunch, I want to look a little bit decent, so I did the 2 in the front, and this is what it's looking like. So yeah, y'all, this is the tutorial of the messy bun that you didn't know you needed, but you needed it anyway. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, y'all, so I did throw in a quick little top knot to show y'all how the top knot would look, or my take or rendition of a top knot. So if I wanted something more clean and sleek, I would have slicked my hair with like some got-to-be, flat iron this a little bit straighter, and then kind of put like a twist on the end, or like some kind of curl. But this is what it looks like in the top knot, which is cute as well. But today I was just going for messy bun look. So I just wanted to pop in and show y'all that as well.